What is up, guys? Andrew with No Excuses TV here. Hopefully you can hear me. It's not too windy. It's really windy on this point for some reason, but it's beautiful bluebird day. Finally getting some warm weather here in Arkansas. So we went backpacking. We're at our camp halfway through the day, about to make lunch, and we're trying out one of the meals we got from Food for Soul. Now, to be 100% honest, I can't eat all of them because they're vegan, mostly plant-based, which means they get a lot of their fat and a lot of the protein from nuts. I have nut allergy, so it really limits which foods or which ones I can eat. So the one we're trying today is the roasted sweet potato, kale, and quinoa, no nuts. The shelf life on these isn't as long as like the Mountain Home ones, because this one is best used by 2023, and I have a Mountain Home that I can use to like 28. So got the jet boil going, then we'll boil that water, dump it in there, and then tell you what we think about it. So, whew, we got, turn this off, by the way, got our water boiling. Again, that jet boil, so fast to get that water up hot. Love it. So we'll take our boiling water, add it straight. I'm gonna leave it cooking on there. Straight in there. About 10 ounces is what it wants. And then we'll take it, stir it up real good. Make sure we get everything mixed around in there. I'm even going to take it. It says to get all the water out of it while it rehydrates, or the air. I'm going to leave it in there for a second. I'm trying to mix it up. There, it's blowing up because it's hot water. All right, now get all the air out. Air is out. So then mix well, air out, lay flat for fastest, stir and flip once, and it should be hydrated about 15-20 minutes. So it is noon on the dot. We'll come back at 15, see how it is. All right, so it's been 15 minutes. Can't tell if you can see my face or not. I hope you can. So it looks like it's all rehydrated. I can't see any liquid. Well, there's a little bit at the bottom. That's not too bad. So hopefully it doesn't get too soupy. I may have added, it was hard to get an exact 10 ounces of liquid because whenever I had a little measuring cup that said 1 cup, then I poured it in the jet boil and it didn't even fill up half, and the line said 2 cups, so that may be an issue. But we'll see. So I'm guessing it's getting its fat from pumpkin seeds and canola oil, because there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, and it's kale, sweet potato, onion, quinoa, pumpkin seed, canola oil. So the oil and pumpkins are where you're gonna get all your fat from. It's got a ton of carbs, 76 grams, a lot of fats, 15, and only 19 grams of protein. I'm usually eat more protein, but that's just because of weightlifting and stuff. And then it's got lemon juice, salt, garlic, and black pepper. So not a ton of ingredients, and all ones you can pronounce, right? That's what you're wanting to have in your food, that you can pronounce all the ingredients. But I'll say this, I was pleasantly surprised. I'm not gonna sit here and let you watch me, or have you watch me eat it all. If the rest of them are like that, I'm not gonna do it for every single one. But again, there's a lot that I can't. There's some breakfast that we're gonna do tomorrow. It's blueberry oatmeal kind of thing, which I like both that, so it should be good. But again, nut allergy is going to be an issue for me with those, just because there's going to be a limit to which ones I can eat. So other than that, it's pretty good. So I'm going to finish eating it, and then we're going to probably get firewood. So if you like camping, you tried Mountain House, you want something more, I guess not really organic, but more clean, simple ingredients, vegan, Food for the Soul. Way to go. So I'm pleasantly surprised at this one, because deep down I'm a meat eater. Like for dinner, I think I'm having chili mac from Mountain House. So it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's super good. So nut issues are really the only thing that's gonna keep me from getting this stuff. We'll try them all. We'll probably have Instagram posts on how we like them all and stuff. But Food for the Soul, good option if you're wanting something other than Mountain House to fuel you when you're backpacking. So if you like videos like this, If you want to keep up with all of our outdoor videos that we're going to be doing, make sure you click that like and subscribe button down below. We really appreciate it. It costs you nothing. Please click that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.